Hey everyone, Steve here at SKS Props, and I want to thank you for swinging by my Patreon page. Now, this is something that I've deliberated about for a long time because honestly, I didn't know how to do it. For those that have been following me for years, you know that I put out a ton of different build threads and always show my tips and techniques and tutorials, and I've always done it for free. And normally Patreon does not work that way. Normally Patreon has paywalls and tiers, and you've got to pay X amount of money to see this particular information. Well, when it came to me setting up my Patreon page, I decided that I'm not going to do any of that. I am not going to have paywalls, so every single one of my builds, all the tips, tutorials, everything else will be completely public. It will be open to everyone. There will only be one tier, and it is there in case you guys choose to support me. You know, of course, doing videos and editing and tutorials and all that kind of stuff, it takes a lot of time and effort. And so for those people that have enjoyed my builds over the years, that are currently enjoying the videos that I'm putting out on YouTube, that means of support is there for you just to kind of say, hey, good job, wait, keep it up type of a thing. All of the support that I get from you guys, I will continue to put back into all of this. So that means that there will be better videos, there'll be better tutorials, there'll be bigger builds, there'll be better builds. So when you support me, you support the entire community, again, for the fact that I'm not making any of this Patreon exclusive. None of this is going to be just exclusive to these people that can afford this tier. It is open to everyone. So please, if you guys have the opportunity, feel free to support me and my endeavors. Let's go build something.